So, good day. So, for my accomplishment today was first for human green. For reply cleaner is more on continuing working on the YouTube retrieval automation. So, I have only, like I've said, I have only one ticket for this. But Sir Ben told me that I can make sub tickets for this because this is not only one ticket, but I've managed to do this in one ticket. So so first of all, what I've added so far is since we have already the condition of checking the time, if in the configs there is a time that is equal to the current time right now, which is for example 10:20 p.m., then it should be able to run this command here, which is the YouTube data retrieval automation. Then we have here going through the configs. Then first I added is since yesterday we already have the fetching of the YouTube account. We already have the fetching of the YouTube account, in which the YouTube account that we will find for here is from the configs. And then we have also catch here. So whenever YouTube account is not actually existing in the database, then we put error. And then what I added today was here the fetch channel job, meaning this is the retrieving of the channel of the YouTube account. Because since yesterday, like I said, I was having trouble with the logic because we wanted that the YouTube account will fetch its all of the videos from the YouTube account. But then like I've said yesterday, that the videos that we have is under the channel, since the YouTube account has a lot of channels, and those channels contains different videos as well. So first, what I did in order to solve that was first fetch the channels first, and then of course collect all the channels, and then inside this channel model, we find the exact YouTube account ID that we're using right now in this inside this command. So as soon as we find out all the channels, then we loop it up. Meaning, let's go to checking up all of those channels that we've received from the get, and then after that, here is what I did next, which is I fetch videos under channel. Meaning, I was fetching the videos for one channel. So as we look through here, so we're basically checking every channel. So every channel, one channel is we're getting all the videos of that channel. So hence we have here videos channel. So we finally we give its parameters or arguments, which is the channel ID, then the YouTube account ID. So after that, it's all done. We have already the videos from one channel as we look through, and then of course, when we have this video, since fetching the video under channel will be stored onto the videos into our videos model. So what we did next is to find the to find the videos under the channel ID, since we already have the channel ID as we look through here. So finding the channel ID, then let's get all the videos of that channel ID, because this videos is already been in our database since we already fetched them. And then after that, once we collected all the videos, we look through again here. As we look through, we wanted to retrieve also the comments of a video. So that's why we have the fetch comment job here. And we give him our argument of video, which is as we look through, and then here we have our info just to track for the comments that we receive, and then just just showing the video ID, so we can track what video are we fetching for the comments, and then lastly I added the analyze comment for video. So this one was a bit tricky because I have to make another function here, since I can't reuse the function that I have that we have on the here the cron job. So it's a bit tricky since from this part I don't really have a clear understanding of it. So uh, I had to make my own function here. So we have here for analyze comments. Since the analyze comments for video is we need a argument with this video. So first, use use the code from the YouTube comment controller. So as you can see here. So first, I will check here the comments count, null status. Then if we see that the comment count is I mean it has data, or meaning it's greater than zero, then we analyze those comments. So hence it is here. So we analyze the comment, which is here is the job for running in the background to avoid to prevent any timeout of the request. Then this one is for the tracking again for the video ID. So we just created a function for this and then use here. So we can just call this one through here. And so the use of this is for the analyzing the comment. Fail to dispatch is uh, analyzing the comments, yes, for these for the comments that we fetch. So basically this one automates everything. The key points are first find the time, find a config that is currently find a config that is the data is equal to the current time, and it have if ever it has a data, then we go through the configs, then we retrieve first each of account, the next the channels of that account, and right after that we fetch the videos under the channel that we find. In each one YouTube account, there might be a lot of channels, so each channel has a video, so we collect that one also. And then next is fetching the comments. So fetching the comments meaning every video there's different comments as well, so we fetch that one. And then for the purpose of the automation, we also add the analyzation of comments to see if it's a negative or positive or any kind of status that we have. So that's why we find the status null to able to analyze those comments, because as the data is, I mean, if the data is raw, so it should be able to, it should go through here since their status will be null since they haven't been analyzed yet. So they will go through the analyzation, and then the analyze comment job will do its job to determine if it's positive, negative, neutral, and yeah, that's all for the status. So that's all for what I did on the YouTube data retrieval automation. And the next thing I did was more on the project setup. So this is just a basic setup for what I did on the WSoft. So an act setup. So it's not been done yet because the resources. So I haven't added the resources yet from the Figma. I already have the access for the Figma, but I think it would be the best if I have the collection. I mean the compiled resources. So I might ask Sir Man about this because I've already asked him. Because I think it would be hard for me to get one by one from each page. So it's much more easier to compile all the resources. So maybe I'll ask Sir Man if there is any way that I can compile the resources without going through page by page. So that is all for the reply cleaner. And yes, I haven't actually pushed this one yet, the project setup, because Sir Jamie, I think Sir Jamie will create tickets for that, and I already have my tickets also. So I think there will be conflicts. There will be conflict on my end and Sir Jamie's end. So I'm not really sure. So maybe I'll ask question tomorrow about that to be clear. Then once I gathered all the resources and put into the project, then I will push it on the repository. So that is all for my accomplishment today. So that is all for my accomplishment today. So that is all for my focus for today's